welcome back to the channel. I'll be showing you how I achieved that curly updo with just curly hair extensions. For the slicking down process, I started off by dividing my hair into two sections, and I started with working with the back section. So how I slick down my hair is I spray my hair with water, then I comb out to detangle, then I use gorilla snot gel to lay down my hair. For this hairstyle, I'll be making a middle part. So how I slick down the front section is I divide it into smaller sections, then going in with the gorilla snot gel. If you want a detailed tutorial of how I slick down my hair, I have a video on my channel, so I'll leave the link to that. This is just a shallow explanation. Done slicking down my hair, I'm just going to create a braid at the back of my head. So this is going to help me attach the curly hair extensions to my hair. What is a slick bun without tying it down? So here I'm just going to tie my hair down for about 30 minutes for it to set. 30 minutes gone. Now I'm just going to start attaching my curly hair extensions to my hair, and this is the hair extensions I'll be using. They are old, by the way. So I'm going to fold the hair into two, then I attach a rubber band to create a loop. Like you guys can see what I'm doing. Then I attach that rubber band to the tail or the end of my braid like this. After attaching the hair, you're then going to start wrapping the weft of the hair around your braid. You can do this in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. When you get to the end of the weft, you're then going to use a bobby pin to attach the hair extensions to your braid. Like you guys can see what I'm doing. So for this hairstyle, I used two bundles, and I'm just going to repeat the same process I did for the first bundle. Done attaching the extensions to my hair, I'm then going to use water to just fluff out the curls. can choose to leave this hairstyle as a ponytail, but I decided to add a little bit of spice to mine. So I decided to use a claw clip. After using the claw clip, I used a bobby pin to attach a little bit of extension to the front because I needed a little bit of volume, and the rest I just tweaked the hair how I wanted it to be. And that's it for this video. Let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle in the comments. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.